guys, I'm back. Today I'm gonna be recreating the 2008 Victoria's Secret makeup. I was born in 2008, so I was like still a baby when this was going on. But I'm gonna be recreating like that type of makeup, so let's get into it. Okay, first I'm just gonna powder my face. Okay, first we're gonna start with some foundation. Concealer. Okay, next I'm gonna add some bronzer. Okay, next I'm just gonna add some blush. I feel like I add too much blush. Now I'm just gonna add some highlight. Okay, now I'm just gonna powder up my face. Okay, I think the eyeshadow is the most important part. I feel like they use a lot of like glittery eyeshadow. They use like more silver, but I mostly have like gold, so we're gonna try to recreate that. This is the eyeshadow. I feel like I added a little bit too much glitter. I'm just gonna add some little eyeliner, mascara. And now I'm just gonna blend all this. I'm just gonna add some lip gloss. I'm just gonna add some extra concealer. I'm just gonna add some setting spray. Okay guys, this is the makeup. So like glittery. I tried my best with it. Anyways, thanks for watching this tutorial and keep up for more.